Hey everyone, welcome back to the PC Pal. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the health of your hard drive using an amazing tool called Hard Disk Sentinel. If you're worried about losing important files or just want to ensure your drive is in good shape, stick around. Hard Disk Sentinel is a powerful monitoring tool that helps you track the health, temperature, and performance of your hard drive or SSD. It's easy to use and provides a detailed report on the status of your drives. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or even external storage, this tool has got you covered. First, you need to download software, so visit the official Hard Disk Sentinel website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Download the version suitable for your system. They have options for both free and paid versions. After downloaded, open the installer, follow the prompts, and launch the application. Alright, now that we've got Hard Disk Sentinel installed, let's check your drive's health. Then you open the program. The main dashboard gives you an overview of your drives. You'll see important stats like drive health percentage, performance, and temperature right at the top. Click on a specific drive to see more detailed information. This includes smart attributes, estimated remaining lifespan, and even alerts for potential issues. Notice anything in yellow or red? That's the program flagging areas of concern. Don't panic, but take note of these warnings. Hard Disk Sentinel also generates reports that can help you understand what's happening with your drive. To view or save a detailed report, click on the Report tab and select Create Report. You can save this for as text file or HTML file. The program also notifies you if there's an urgent problem, so you can back up your data immediately. Hard disk maintaining a healthy drive isn't just about monitoring, it's also about proactive care. Here are a few quick tips for you. Back up your data regularly. Avoid sudden power-offs or surges. Use a UPS if possible. Keep your system cool to prevent overheating. Run periodic checks using Hard Disk Sentinel to stay ahead of any issues. And that's it, folks. With Hard Disk Sentinel, you can monitor your hard drive's health, spot potential issues early, and keep your data safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions or want to share your experience with this tool.